Okay, this is video number 2 in my rider tip series. This one's going to be about securing your motorcycle and taking some measures to keep it from getting stolen. Throughout Europe, theft of motorcycles is definitely an issue. And in France, where we are currently, it's one of the worst places, honestly. We do buy insurance called a green card, and the green card is primarily for liability, but it also has a full coverage portion of it. So we do have that going, but it's still a good idea to just do as much as you can to secure your bike. In this series, a quick reminder that I've been riding many years, and one thing I know about motorcycles is you never know it all, and there's always something new to learn. So that's why I'm giving tips. For those riders that are out there, I'd love to see your comments, your questions. For those that are not riders, it might give you a little insight into what we do and how we do it. So we'll talk a little bit about security on the bike. One of the first things we did is we bought a very small, inexpensive alarm system that's wireless. And I'll demonstrate that for you now. It is on, it is alarmed, and when somebody touches the bike, it says, "Give back, I don't like that." If they touch it even more, it goes into a full-blown alarm process, like that. And you can shut it off with the remote. Now that little jewel is right here, strapped underneath the seat, along with a second thing that we put in here, and that is an AirTag. So that's 2 things that we do. A couple of other things we do is we lock the front forks. All bikers know about this, but basically, when you turn the wheel on the bike, you can lock it in position where you cannot roll the motorcycle straight, which is a huge thing as far as anti-theft. The bike would, in essence, have to be picked up. So we've got the alarm, the AirTag, we lock the forks, and then one further thing, Susan, you have to get down here for this one, and that's this little guy here, which is a disc lock, and it's electronic. It locks the disc on the bike so that the wheel cannot spin. Now the cool thing about this one is it is electronic and it has an app. And when I want to take it off, I simply hit unlock on the app. That takes it where I can push the button and remove it. So anyway, those are 4 things that we do when the bike has to be set out in a public setting. We've been really lucky on this trip, and we've had garages and secured places to park, but there are times when the bike has to sit out, and when that happens, we try to do as much as we can to secure the bike and keep it from disappearing on us. So that's the end of that one, and we'll see you on the next one.
Come ride with us at buggyteeth.com.